this Feng Shui element is so important. We call it Cellphone Feng Shui. Yes, you're correct. Cell phone number, there's some Feng Shui energy. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today we keep going to mention the last secret how to boost your luck. We mentioned the top 2 secrets before. The first one is your master bedroom. It's so simple because we sleep like 8 hours a day. So 1/3 of our time we spend on the bed. So if your master bedroom, the Feng Shui is good, you don't need to do anything. Every single night you just lay down to your bed, then you are enjoying by this good Feng Shui energy, blessing you, helping you when you sleep. So this is really good. And it's so important because we sleep like 8 hours a day. So 1/3 of your time will affected by your master bedroom, the Feng Shui energy. So that's what, which is the most important. And then the second most important, which is your office or your home office. Because your master bedroom, your home is more like a balance for all the energy. And in terms of the business sense, financial luck, you need to focus more on the Feng Shui of your office or home office, because that office will be related to your money luck. So that's why this is the second important. If you want to know more, you can review to my previous video, then you have a more idea. And today we mentioned the last secret, and also it's also really important. And lots of people will just don't pay too much attention for that one. But this Feng Shui element is so important. We call it Cellphone Feng Shui. Yes, you're correct. Cell phone number, there's some Feng Shui energy. And actually there's some like a development for the Feng Shui. Previously, we focus more on your home and your office. This is a traditional Feng Shui energy. Because we focus on that one, it will affect you all the way. So this is the traditional one. But when our lifestyle, there's some change, and there's some change for the technology. So our habit, there will be some change. And right now, we have the cell phone. And right now, I can tell you really honestly, lots of people just can't live without the cell phone. Our cell phone become one of our organ. It become take a really important role in our life. We can't live without our cell phone. You can imagine like this. If today you go out to work or you go out to have some event, but you find out that, hey, you forget to bring your cell phone. So what happened? Oh, that will be a disaster. Maybe you will rush back to your home and then grab the cell phone. Because that one is so important. We can't live without the cell phone. We check our email, listen to the music, play video game, check the Google Map. We use lots of, or the WeChat or WhatsApp, or make a phone call. We just can't live without our cell phone. So that's why there's some cell phone Feng Shui energy. And some people have this experience. No matter how hard you try, you just lacking of something. No matter how tough you try, you're just not too successful. Maybe one of the reasons is because your cell phone number got some issue. So bring you the bad luck Feng Shui energy all the time. Traditionally, your master bedroom is so important because your bed, you spend like 8 hours a day. So 1/3 of your time you spend on your bed. So it's so important. But right now, your cell phone, it seems to be more important because you can't live without it. It affects you 24/7. So that's why we have a cell phone Feng Shui energy. So if you guys want, you can text me or email me your cell phone number or your friend's cell phone number. I will check it for you. And lots of people will think, hey, for the traditional, the number, the numerical Feng Shui, people like to use the number 8. X seems to be a lucky number, so lots of people in the cell phone number, they will use the X. But I can tell you, not all the X is the same, because there's some different. Let's say if your cell phone number, the last 2 digits is 98 or 89, 9 and X together. In this combination, this 98 is related to money losing, is related to health issue, will make you really not patient enough and create lots of like a damaging energy. And some people will afraid to use the number 4. They think that 4 is related to death, so they don't use it. But in numerical Feng Shui, not all the 4 is the bad. Let's say the 14, the 1-4, and 4-1, 41. Actually, in numerical Feng Shui, they are good in education, good for reputation, it's good for your kids to study. If you want to have some professional exam you want to success, this 14, this number is not bad for you. So for all this cell phone Feng Shui number, we need to consider the whole one. And we also need to calculate together with our date of birth characteristic together, we call it Machi, then we have a more idea. And for more detail, I will shoot more like a cell phone Feng Shui video later on, then you can take a look. Thank you, thanks for watching. Thank you, bye. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below, you can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put a link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.